Morning. So it's Sunday, and a week today, and I will be tanned up and ready for that stage. So this morning, I've pretty much just went over some of my poses for the stage. So I've been doing like my compulsory poses and then practicing my T-walk. So when I go on Sunday, everything should be good. So it's not just about getting the diet and the training right, it's about actually being able to show your best bits on stage, because at the end of the day that's when you're going to be getting judged, and you want to show everyone all the good bits and get as many points as you can for it. So it's important that as part of your training plan on a week, you actually incorporate posing practice into it. So I've been generally posing for probably the past 12 weeks. I've been doing maybe about half an hour sessions on the posing, and I've just been going through it myself and going to the Body Academy in Perth monthly to try to get some feedback. So going with the mirror and stuff, I'm feeling confident, and it is all about being confident on the stage as well and just enjoying it. I've done it before, so I really now should be looking like someone who knows what they're doing. So I'm just going to make sure that I bring that kind of package to the stage, and I want all my friends have bought tickets, so I want them to see me looking good and feeling confident, rather than like being a wee shy person. So I'll pose again another 2 times this week, tidy it up a bit. I got my new bikini, so I tried that on this morning and it's fitting perfect. So now I'm going to do some cardio and then head off for food, spend some time with a wee fella, and lift some weights later tonight. So have a good day, peeps.